Hi everyone. So today we'll be making makhana kheer, navratri special. Heat 1 teaspoon of ghee and put 2 cups of fox nuts, that is makhana, and roast them. Then take half of them and grind them with 5 to 6 cashew nuts. Again heat some ghee and add dry fruits to it. Just roast them a little. Now take 2 cups of milk, full cream milk, and add cardamom powder, elaichi powder, some saffron strands soaked in milk, and then add the powder we made out of fox nuts and cashew nuts, remaining fox nuts, and all the dry fruits we roasted. Mix them well, give them a boil. Now add 1/3 cup of sugar. You can use powdered sugar also. Gradually it will thicken up in 5 to 6 minutes. Garnish it with some dried rose petals and enjoy. And believe me, it's a must try recipe. Thank you.